Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my Mani box for the month of June. The theme for this one is Under the Sea. So I'm going to share with you what is in the box. I don't even know when I started these. I've had them for a long time that I've got my Mani boxes. I'll link all the videos down below in the playlist that I have so you can check out the different boxes that I've got in the past if you've never heard of them. They're through Beautometry, and basically it's a monthly nail art box that you get different products from kind of around the world, which I thought was pretty cool because I don't have a lot of access to some of these products. And I also never heard of some of them, so it's a great way to get started with nail art, or if you really love nail art like I do, it's a great way to get some new products. So I'm going to share with you what is in this month's box. So this is the card, and you can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. And then it shares with you what is in this box and how much everything is. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. All right, let's start with this. Hold on one second. I'm just going to open this up. Trying not to scratch what's inside. Oh, it's a ring. So this looks like it is a ring magnet. That's kind of cool. I've never seen a ring magnet. It's actually pretty big. It fits like all of my fingers. So this is from Beautometry, and it is $5 American. So it's a ring magnet. Interesting. All right, let's see what we got here. This is a magnetic polish, so that works out well. This is the Danglefoot. This is the Sous La Mer. This is the box exclusive nail polish. This one is $16 American. So it looks kind of cool. I can't remember if I have anything from this brand, but it looks pretty. There you go. It's kind of like a purpley grayish blue, and it's got some hollow in there, all different kind of colors. So yeah, this is exclusive for this box this month. So we'll be trying that out soon. All right, let's see what else we got. So we got a Muyu London top coat. This is the smudge resistant top coat. It's 15 milliliters and it's a full size, and it is $9.50 American. I've never actually tried their top coat, so that is the no smudge top coat. So we'll have to see if that actually is true, or smudge resistant rather. All right, and we got our stamping plates. So we've got the Sailor one from Muyu London, and this one is number 8. Well, that's a cute plate. I like that one. So this one is $9.99 American. I guess you could have got different options. So you could have got the Sailor one, the origami one, or the artist one. And it looks like I got the artist one. So this is artist, and this is Mona. And this one is 28. I like that. That's neat. I wonder what the origami one looked like. But yeah, so that is everything for June 2019's my Mani box. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.